Are you tired of watching the crypto market charts all day, every day? Do you feel like you're constantly chasing pumps and getting dumped on? Well, what if I told you there's a way to build your crypto portfolio consistently without the stress of trying to time the market? What if I told you that the secret to long-term success in crypto isn't about getting rich quick, but about getting rich slowly? That's what we're talking about today: how to dollar cost average on Gemini. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a sound, disciplined investment strategy that the most successful investors have used for decades, and it works perfectly in the world of crypto. Now, before we jump into the how, let's quickly cover the what and the why. What exactly is dollar cost averaging, or DCA? Think of it this way: instead of taking a big lump sum of money and investing it all at once, which is incredibly risky, you break that lump sum into smaller, equal-sized chunks and invest them at regular intervals. This could be daily, weekly, or monthly. Why is this a good idea, especially for a volatile market like crypto? It's all about smoothing out your average purchase price. When you invest a fixed amount of money on a set schedule, you naturally buy more of an asset when its price is low and less of it when its price is high. Over time, this averages out your cost per coin, protecting you from the emotional roller coaster of buying at the peak and selling in a panic. It removes the guesswork and the emotion, which are the two biggest enemies of any investor. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but I'm busy. I don't have time to manually buy crypto every single week. And that's where Gemini's recurring buys feature comes in. It's the perfect tool to automate your dollar cost averaging strategy. This set it and forget it approach lets you build your portfolio without lifting a finger after the initial setup. Okay, enough talk. Let's get to the good stuff. We're going to walk through this step by step. First, you need a Gemini account. If you don't have one, it's super easy to set up. Just a quick sign up, and you'll need to go through their verification process. It's pretty straightforward, and once you're done, you're ready to go. Assuming you're all set up and logged in, let's navigate to the main dashboard. You'll see your portfolio, recent activity, and some other important information. To set up a recurring buy, you're going to look for the buy button. On the desktop, it's usually at the top right of your screen. On the mobile app, it's at the bottom. Once you click buy, you'll be presented with a few options. You can make a one-time purchase or, more importantly for our purposes today, you can set up a recurring buy. This is the magic button. Click on that, and let the fun begin. The first thing you need to decide is what cryptocurrency you want to invest in. Gemini offers a wide range of options, from the giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum to other exciting assets. For this example, let's say we want to dollar cost average into Bitcoin, the king of crypto. You'll select Bitcoin from the list of available assets. Next, you'll choose your amount. This is a crucial part of the DCA strategy. You need to pick a fixed amount of money that you are comfortable investing on a recurring basis. This should be an amount that you won't miss, and that you can commit to for the long term. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Whether it's $10, $50, or $100, the key is consistency. For our example, let's go with a nice round $50. After you've set the amount, you need to set the frequency. This is where you decide how often you want Gemini to make the purchase for you. You have a few choices: daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. The best frequency for you depends on your personal financial situation and your investment goals. Weekly or bi-weekly is a popular choice as it aligns well with many people's pay cycles, and it allows you to consistently buy into market dips. For this tutorial, let's choose weekly. Now, you'll be asked to select your payment method. This is where you link your bank account to Gemini. Gemini offers a seamless process for this, and it's a critical step to ensure your recurring buys happen automatically. Just follow the on-screen instructions to connect your bank, and you'll be all set. After you've selected your payment method, Gemini will give you a summary of your recurring buy. It will show you the asset, the amount, the frequency, and the payment method. This is your chance to review everything and make sure it's exactly how you want it. Once you've confirmed all the details look correct, you'll hit confirm. And that's it. You've successfully set up a dollar cost averaging strategy on Gemini. Now, every week, Gemini will automatically deduct $50 from your bank account and use it to buy Bitcoin for you. You don't have to worry about the price, you don't have to worry about timing the market, and you don't have to constantly check charts. You are now a disciplined, long-term investor, building your portfolio one small, consistent step at a time. But what if you want to change your recurring buy? Maybe you want to increase the amount or change the frequency. No problem. You can easily manage your recurring buys from your account settings. Just go to the recurring buys section and you'll see a list of all your active strategies. From there, you can edit or even cancel them if you need to. It's totally flexible and puts you in complete control. Let's quickly recap the benefits of this strategy. First, it eliminates emotional decision-making. No more buying out of fear of missing out, and no more selling in a panic. Second, it reduces your risk. By spreading your investment over time, you avoid the danger of putting all your money into the market at a single, high price point. Third, it promotes discipline. This strategy forces you to be a consistent investor, which is a habit that will serve you well for a lifetime. And fourth, it's perfect for volatile assets like crypto, where price swings can be dramatic. By consistently buying the dips, you're setting yourself up for potential success in the long run. So, there you have it. The complete guide on how to dollar cost average on Gemini. This simple, powerful tool can fundamentally change the way you approach crypto investing. It takes the stress and emotion out of the equation and replaces them with a disciplined, long-term plan. Remember, the goal is not to get rich overnight. The goal is to build lasting wealth, and dollar cost averaging is one of the most effective ways to do just that. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.